guys, today I have a super special treat because I'm teaching you to draw something that is so easy. I know you guys are gonna get it right away. All you need is your pencil and your marker. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna draw Peppa Pig. Okay, today I'm gonna use my marker instead of my pencil because I want it to be very dark so you guys can see it. Okay, the very first thing we're gonna do is draw a circle towards the top of our page. Now, inside of the circle, we're gonna make two tiny little ovals. That's gonna be Peppa Pig's snout. At the bottom of our circle, we're gonna make a little line. Now, on the top of our circle, we're going to make a line that goes all the way around and meets this line at the point. So let's go ahead and we do a line all the way around. Then we bring it back down and connect it. There we go, guys. Oh man, this is so simple. I can see you guys finishing this very fast. Up here, next to this circle, we're gonna make two tiny circles inside of the shape we just created. And inside of those circles, we're gonna make two tiny circles. And we're gonna go ahead and color that in. Now, towards the bottom of this shape, we're gonna make a happy face. So make a smile and connect it with another smile underneath. That way the mouth is open. Okay, guys, on each side of this shape, we're gonna make lines curved going downward. Too easy for you guys, way too easy for you guys. At the bottom, we're gonna connect these two lines with a straight line. On this side of our curved line, we're gonna make a loop, a little loopy line, and that's gonna be the tail. Underneath here of this straight line, we're gonna make two little lines going down. 1, 2. And now, horizontal, we're gonna make two more lines. 1, 2. Like I said, too easy for you guys. On each side, we're gonna make two lines going up. 1, 2. And at the end of each of these, we're gonna make three little lines. 1, 2, 3. On the other side, 1, 2, 3. So easy. Now the very final step is two ears at the top. And that's just gonna be two upside down U's. See guys, I told you it was gonna be too easy. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some more stuff. Underneath, we're gonna make a line going across. That's gonna be the ground. I made mine's a little bit squiggly. And we're gonna make M's, very sharp M's. That's gonna be our grass. Because Peppa Pig is hanging out outside. Oh man, so cute. I'm gonna make a little stick going up. 1, and up there I'm gonna draw a flower, so it's a U, 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 U. It's a lot of U's, and that'll make a flower. And in the middle I'll make a circle. Up here I'm gonna do an oval, and then I'm gonna do an upside down U and another upside down U next to it, a little dot, and some lines inside. That way I have a cute little bumblebee joining Peppa Pig. Now you guys are more than welcome to add way more stuff to your scenery. You can put a tree, a playground, you can even put the house. Anything you want to add, you can add to your Peppa Pig, and then go ahead and color it to make it even more amazing. Oh man, I told you guys it was gonna be so easy, but it's so easy because you guys are so good at this. All right, I can't wait to see what you guys came up with.